Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to Bismart. Good day. I have to do it this evening, so that's why today, the 1st of March 2023. This is one of the secrets I said I'm going to be sharing, and actually, it's actually for students anyway. This secret will help you a lot to be able to do your work, help you a lot to understand better what you have been taught in class, help you a lot to be able to do your assignment on your own without actually meeting anybody, help you a lot to do research, help you a lot to do personal development, help you a lot in every aspect and every area of life. I'm telling you, it will seriously help you. This secret, as a student, it will be your best companion and your best friend. So let's see what happened. I'm going to make an example now, like a student giving an example. I will pick a question from, let me pick a question from communication, like a journalism. I'm giving something on journalism. So what do we need to do here? From the secret I'm trying to show you. I know some of you know it, and some of you this is the first time. But just watch to the end, because I'll be sending the link on how to actually register on this link to be able to use it. So you are given a question on journalism. So let's see, journalism. Don't forget, when you are given a question, the first thing you do is to look for a cafe man, the way you call it, or a CBT center, or a business center where you give them question, they help you to download, search for the answer, put your name on top, and print it out for you. I'm telling you, you don't need that again. Just get your answer here, extract it, put it on the paper, and go and print it. You know, if you give them a question for you, for it to be searched for you and printing, it will cost more than you giving them a job that has been searched already. So let's see example. As I said, journalism. You are given a question and assignment on journalism. Normally, what do? Normally, you want to go to Google, you want to type, you want to search, you want to see everything. Google will bring different things for you. Be able to right click and extract here and there. But this one, you don't need to do that. Just watch me. I'm telling you, you will like, you will love it. Don't forget, just make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment down. Watch it to the end, because I'm going to be sharing the link. So journalism, see what's going to happen. Can you see? This is the help of an artificial intelligence. I'm telling you, a lot of things have been developed through artificial intelligence that can help us in this our present life, that can help us in this our days. See, you don't need to search anything. What you need to do is just to copy and go and paste. Of course, if you want to re-edit it, you want to change some of the word, you want to remove it so that it won't be a direct copy paste thing, there is another thing you can use. You just copy this, go and paste it there, click it, will just rewrite it, change the names, change the meanings, look for synonyms of some of the words, and give you the same thing. Okay, let's see. Types for journalism. I'm very sure you'll be amazed at this. Can you see? It will just give you some type, all the types of journalism. As a student, your lecturer cannot give you anything fake, because by the time the lecturer is explaining, you can easily type on this site and get the answer. But this doesn't mean you don't attend class here, you know. It is necessary you attend class. Let's assume you've given it, you can supply your answer already, and you need more information about it. Just type more details. The more details will be referring to the last question you had. Just type more details. You see what's going to happen. Sure, here I have some more details, and it's giving you some other details. News journalism, investigative journalism, opinion journalism. This thing pertains to every field of life. Okay, so that you won't say, "Oh, why using communication example?" Let's go to business. let's see, let's talk about marketing. I will write marketing strategies. We see what is going to be doing. Market strategy refers to the tactic and techniques used by business. You understand different marketing strategy. There are a lot of things you can do with this. You can make a lot of, don't worry, I'll be showing you how you can make a lot of money with this. I'm sure the next thing is, oh, what's this? How do we get this? How do we sign it? Of course, just cool down. Don't come. Just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So let's see. How do you sign in? Very easy. I will just give you some quick because I don't want this video to be long. Just type chat.openai.com/chat. Can you see? Just type this and paste it. Enter and sign up with your Gmail account. And that's all. Don't forget, at times it might switch. By the time you are signing, it might switch to this beta.openai.com/playground. Yes, it might switch to this playground. This is equally another AI. It performs the same work with this. But anytime you try it and it open beta.openai for you, go ahead. But make sure you go back to retry it and make sure you register it. There is a free version, there is a premium version. But if you, as a student, using the free version will still help you a lot. I'm telling you. If you think you are gaining here, if you think I've given you something that you like, make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. That is the only contribution I'm requesting for you. Subscribe, like, watch, and share it with your friend. I'm coming to show you how you are going to make a lot of money with this. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much. So we'll see later. I remain Hademi.